Have you ever had any awkward conversations that go like this? Oh, I like your shoes. And, yeah, your shoes. You want to be nice, you want to give a compliment, but you want to be real. Say goodbye to awkward fake compliments forever. This video can help teach you how to compliment anyone at any time, why over-complimenting leads to social awkwardness, why people fish for compliments, and 10 genuine complimenting techniques. The non-personal compliment. In almost every interaction, you want to start out nice. This usually means smiling and giving someone an authentic compliment. Of course, this is kind of hard if you don't know the person well enough. You can come off as fake. A non-genuine compliment is not a compliment at all. Your only solution is the non-personal compliment. This is an amazing way to say something genuine even if you don't know the other person. A non-personal compliment is when you compliment something around a person. Some examples of this would include, "That food looks delicious. This is a really nice interior venue. This conversation sounds like so much fun." The key to a non-personal compliment is to stick to something neutral, but also try to get the other person to say how they agree. This allows both of you to agree on something positive right from the start. The adjective complement. A simple compliment can totally make someone's day, but it can't just be any old compliment. You need to use unique adjectives. For example, instead of saying, "You're good at public speaking," you should say, "The way you talk is so engaging. You rock the stage." Or instead of saying, "Cute dress," you can say, "That red dress is so elegant. It suits you." Avoid the real compliment. These will honestly make you cringe. Don't ever say anything like, "Is that handbag real Prada? Is that your real hair?" When you say things like this, you are doing more harm than good. If it's actually real, then you're showcasing your disbelief or doubting them. And if it's not, you're setting them up for embarrassment. Avoid giving fake compliments. Are you the kind of person who compliments everything? Is someone wearing your least favorite football team's jersey? Amazing team. Does your dance party keep stepping on your foot? You've got great dancing skills. What about that dusty old painting sitting in the corner of their room? Really cool vintage gear. Here's a tip. Don't be that person who gives any compliment. Be the one who gives genuine ones. There are 2 factors for a genuine compliment: sporadic and innocence. Authentic compliments are sporadic or infrequent because they just pop up in your head. Secondly, they're innocent because you aren't saying them to gain brownie points or people please. Compliment without expectations. Do it because you feel like saying something nice that you think the other person should know. It's all in the voice. Okay, so now you know how to be a little bit more genuine, but here's the key. It doesn't matter what you say, but how you say it. Sounds obvious, right? But picture someone saying the following sentence in 2 tones, an excited one and a bored one. Now, if that doesn't scream, "I don't care, I don't know what does." The tone can do so much to your sentence. How to take a compliment. Picture this. You're walking around in public, minding your own business, when all of a sudden a stranger appears and says, "I like your outfit." How do you respond? Thanks, I guess? "Oh, this old thing, it's nothing. It's not mine, but thanks." No. Taking a compliment gracefully is a compliment to the giver. Try, "Thank you," or "That's so kind," or "Oh, that's so nice of you to say." Also, don't automatically reply, "You too." It just doesn't sound real. If someone compliments you, don't dismiss it. This makes you downplay yourself, makes the giver feel bad, and dismisses the giver's opinion. You should accept compliments. This boosts your confidence, shows that you appreciate them, improves your self-esteem, and moves the conversation along with awkwardness. Secondly, try to start your compliments with the ideal praise-criticism ratio. Did you know that there's a perfect ratio for giving compliments and criticisms? In almost every situation, Compliments and criticism are both crucial to keep the team and relationship running. Stick to the golden rule of 6 compliments for every 1 criticism for the ideal compliments to criticism ratio. Fishing. Okay, so giving compliments is good, but have you ever been in a conversation with someone and they always seem to be begging for compliments? They're fishing for them and are constantly throwing in the hook, line, and sinker. Of course, people who ask for too many compliments may have underlying reasons. They secretly may have low confidence and want validation. They may put themselves down just for attention. They don't want to admit to flattery or avoid drawing more attention. But the problem is, if you give them the bait, they will only want more. Receiving compliments actually boosts dopamine in your brain. Studies even show that these boosts have similar effects to receiving a monetary gift. The more a person receives compliments, the more they want it. So avoid over-complimenting. Try to give into the bait only once or twice so they're satisfied. And who knows, maybe they do deserve a compliment. But if they're looking for bait, I wouldn't advise giving any more. How to compliment a stranger without being awkward. Okay, so now imagine you're walking down the street again and pass by a complete and total stranger. And guess what? They're an absolute eye-catcher. So you want to give them a compliment. What do? Here's an easy 3-step approach. 1. Make eye contact. This is crucial to signal that you are approaching and not just appearing out of nowhere. 2. Focus on substance, not appearance. Physical compliments can be nice, but they put a barrier between you and the other person. It makes them think, what do they want from me? Try a non-physical compliment, like complimenting someone for their hard work. 3. Prepare for nothing. Look, compliments are great, but sometimes you may get shrugged off. It's okay. Just think about it as a good deed and move on. Compliments to put a smile on someone's face. Here's a list of compliments that you can use every day, totally original and perfect. 1. I love your beautiful smile. This one is simple but effective. The smile is one of the most attractive facial cues, and when you say this, they will most likely smile a little bigger. 2. You've inspired me to blank. Whether it's a skill, working harder, or being more positive, this is a great compliment to let someone know you look up to them. 3. You have such a wonderful voice. It's so pleasant to listen to you. This is a great compliment to use if you're meeting someone for the first time, and it's also a great one to use if you're talking to someone over the phone. 4. I love your sense of humor. Not everyone's going to appreciate your sense of humor, but the ones who do, you'll love forever. 5. You always set high expectations for the people around you. This is a great one for the high achievers out there. 6. Every day I learn something new from you. This compliment means a lot to people who you've been with for years. Here's the best thing about compliments. They only take mere minutes to give out. Don't let any opportunity go to waste. Giving out compliments is free, but to the person receiving them, it can feel like $1,000,000. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the Success Bistro on YouTube.